investors and traders, we spend a lot of time on the charts. This is where the action happens. Sure, there are all sorts of influences on the price of a stock or the value of a currency pair, but at the end of the day or the hour or the minute, traders make a choice. And this is all reflected in the price activity that we see on the chart. Now, many of you, like myself, will learn formal methods of technical analysis to study these charts. But I'm here to show you today how Trading Central will offer you a second perspective. I'll show you how some traders will leave the technical analysis to the experts and instead use the output of that analysis to craft their trades. Let's get started. Here we are looking at a signature chart by Trading Central. There may be indicators plotted on the price chart or patterns or trend lines. This gives you a glimpse into the technical analysis methodology. But let's focus on the output. First, bring your attention to the bold arrow for a clear sense of direction. In this case, the anticipated scenario is that the price may rise. But that's only the preference as long as the price remains above the blue pivot line. If the price moves across the pivot line, the alternative scenario kicks in and prices are expected to go in the other direction. Our trading customers often use this pivot level as a stop price to protect their position. Hitting this stop means that the reason for being in the position no longer exists, so they close their position. Now, stops are important, but let's also plan to exit with a profit. For this rising price situation, we offer a few resistance levels to use as targets. A typical approach is to close half the position at the first target to lock in some profit and close the other half of the position at the second target level. I hope now you can see how easy it is to benefit from having the Trading Central team on your side, leaving the technical analysis to the experts and using the output of that analysis to plan your trades.